Hello dear students, welcome back to another video lesson. We are in grade 10 and the topic today that we are going to cover is about navigating through a database, and it's week number 9, lesson number 9, and your instructor is Muhammad Mustafa Bayat. Today we will work about navigation in Access database. An Access database navigation features can be different for users who are responsible for designing and maintaining the database for users whose role is only to enter. Maybe some students just enter the data, some users have ability to edit the data, and some other users have ability to just to view the data. It's very important that we have such abilities. So how we can navigate, today we are going to learn it, the navigation area. It means this is an example in here. It means navigating a specific record, how we can find a specific record. This is a navigation area, and there is the explanation for first usage of navigating. For example, in navigation area at the bottom of a table, maybe it's a query or maybe it's a form, use the arrows to move to the first, next, and previous or last record in the record set. So to find a specific record in the navigation area search box, enter text related to the record. Okay, now let's do it practically. In here, it's the steps so far to go to a specific record. But before I go to the specific record, I'm going to show you how you can navigate. So please open your Access database, click on Start menu, type Access. In here I have we can say file by the name of current school, so I select it. There is my database. For example, in here I can check okay, this is a navigation form, close it, I don't need it now for right now. I need to open my employee table. In an employee table you can see in here we have 4 employees, and it's employee number 1 Mansour, Elnaz, Mahdi, Nadia. We have 4 employees, and when you search everyone, you can say step by step, you can search it, it doesn't matter. Or you want to go to the first record, you can select on first record. If you want to go to the last record, just click on last record sign, like it's playing the music video or music play. So if you want to insert a new record or new instance, so it's very easy, just click on new blank record. When you click on new blank record, in here you have ability to insert the data. For example, in here my employee name could be, for example, Nilofer. Okay, about how much salary that she has. For example, about the 30,000, and what's his job or her job, sorry. I can select for example, right assistant or assistants, and which room she's working, and we can say room number 10, and she's also qualified. So as you can see, I have entered the new records. I will press Ctrl W from my keyboard and close this. When I open employee, you can see Nilofer, 30,000 Afghani, for example, assistant. Room number 10 is his location or her location, and qualified. So the skill is qualified. You can see it's also in table. We have navigation area. We can navigate it. If you want to search an item, for example, maybe I write Nadia. Do we have Nadia? Yes, exactly, we have. I can search. We have millions or billions of records. You can search it and find that a specific record very soon. So I will press Ctrl W. When you're in forms, sometimes you create different forms. For example, I'm going to create simple form. I mean individual. For example, this is individual. First record, it relates to Mansour. Every information in here, it's about the Mansour. When I click it, next, 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 you can see there are 5. And if you wanna insert new record, it doesn't matter. Your job is just to enter the data. You can enter the data. Well, I will press Ctrl W. Maybe save it for later use. Employee 1, yes, that's okay. What we have in here, to go to a record, I mean on the home tab, find the find group and click on go to, and first record or previous record, next record, last record. You can find a specific one. So this is another also issue or another topic, that you can find it and replace it. It's very easy. Find what, look in, match, and search. Why we use these words? I mean because they are case option to specify conditions. I mean when you want to use a look in or match or search a list and match the case according to specific employee, so you can use it. This, open your Access database. In here we have employee table. I will click and open this. You can see in here we have the word find, and this is the find symbol. Just click it. In here, find what do you want to find it. This is according to the ID. For example, I want to find the ID number 4. When I press it, there is the 4 because it's current document. So if we select the current field, maybe in here, how many field do we have? Okay, if I click in here, for example, I'm in here, I mean I want to find from this column number 4 or ID number 4. It will completely find my instance or my record. So if you want to find, for example, current field or current document, you can use it any part of the field. It doesn't matter who fields. Search all the fields to find my item. Maybe you want to search all documents. So start of a field, you start from which field, from first field or last field. Search hub, I mean from here it's search hub or down. You can use it. For example, I selected all because I want to find any specific item. So if I click current document, mean all the document, every 4 is in here. I can find it. And maybe sometimes you want to replace. There's the for replacement also. There's option in here. Control is a shortcut form as you have worked in WinWord, Excel. So once again in Access database, for example, I'll find Mahdi and replace with Mustafa, right? And when I click on replace, list the first find is there's find and replace it. I found that Mahdi and replaced with a new employee by the name of Mustafa. So this lesson was a little bit easy. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and put your nice messages about this video lesson.